Oh, makes you spotted.
Oh yeah, listen to that coach roar!
There you go!
Get on the death trap.
That's the bars. There you go. Oh, the bars are loose.
We'll get the Allen key.
Come on.
Bad idea.
No, there's no turn on.
Bad idea.
Gets on.
How come I gotta sip out the gas tank?
Get into the good stuff.
Get into the good stuff. If I fly into a bunch of these bars, I'm gonna be unhappy. Oh yeah, right there, Shane. Better! Better! Oh yeah, that octane boost! That helps out, eh? Oh yeah! I can smell the octane boost! It's awesome! Whoa! Okay, I'm getting dizzy! Shut it down! Whoa!
Hey, no. Get out of here.
It's that octane boost. It's the octane boost.
Too much octane boost.
Yesterday you didn't use the octane boost. That hurts every time. Get on!
Let's go!
You need to paint it up, put some flames on it. Pop, pop, pop. That's awesome.